Welcome back. Now, in a major crackdown being reported in Karnataka, the Bengaluru Transport Department officials have seized nearly 30 luxury cars, including high-end brands like Ferrari, like Porsche, BMW, Range Rover, for operating without paying the required road tax. This operation that highlights the department's efforts to tackle tax evasion in the state, as the operation was conducted by a team of 41 officials led by the Transport Deputy Commissioner. The team that also included the regional transport officers, and according to the Transport Department officials from Bengaluru Transport Department, that has impounded nearly 30 luxury vehicles during an operation where the seized cars included Ferrari, Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Aston Martin and Range Rover. Now, these cars were being driven in the state without paying the required taxes, and a notice that has been also issued to recover approximately 3 crores in taxes from the seized vehicles. Let's get in a word from Neha, who's joining us live right now. Neha, good afternoon. Road tax in Karnataka is amongst the highest in the country. So the state government here determines when it comes to the road tax amount for a vehicle that is based, especially when it comes to the seating capacity and other factors also that are taken in. And apparently these cars were in violation.
Well, that's right. In fact, the Transport Department here in the state of Karnataka now going on a massive crackdown, especially against the owners of these luxury cars, citing that, in fact, they've not paid their road tax. Now, this is, of course, something that's much necessary at this point in time, given the fact that there are many people who've still not paid up their road tax, something that is a must. And like you rightly pointed out, of course, Karnataka is among the higher tax-paying states as far as road tax is concerned. And at a time like that, the government, of course, here trying to ensure that taxes are collected. Remember, of course, we've seen drives like this in the past as well, but this is probably, the first such one coming in, at least as far as recent times are concerned.
All right, Neha, thank you very much for joining in. So the amount there that we're looking at from these seized cars, these luxury high-end vehicles, as far as not paying taxes on time, is something that has now led to the crackdown taking place in Bengaluru. And with that, we head into a short break. Lots more lined up on the other side as well.